result jangka MDC election sha ka KHADC araja arpusan na Bhoi district ka Jingioh vote jangki Kyrtong ka longkum ne harom na ka iwe jirang constituency uba sostenes sotun na ka party National People Party ulayo khalai hajar praspa arfu ar vote uba Victor Rani na ka party Indian National Congress san hajar khandai spa khandai pho vote uba upkermen lengdo na ka party Voice of the People Party san hajar aspa khandai pho ar vote uba Hemanta Timung na ka Bharatiya Janata Party aspa khatnya vote nota laispa san pupra vote uba Li TS Bare na ka United Democratic Party aspa nyo fulai vote.
A very good morning to all of you. We are going to officially announce the winning candidates for all the 5 district council constituencies, and this is in the order's presence of our respected Deputy Commissioner Shri Abhilash Manadwal and our respected observer, Madam Modi Sarma. So we will start with 1 Jirang district council constituency. I will read out the contents of the certificate and hand this certificate to the winning candidate. The certificate of election. I, returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency of number 1 Jirang in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, declares Sri Sostenes Sotun of 1 Jirang, who has been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election.
Naka Arnong po constituency ka Kongrona Khamdeit naka party National People Party kalayo Khatwe Hajar Laispa Henry vote uba Balajit Rani naka party United Democratic Party Nyo Hajar Rispa Nrifu ar vote uba Matthew Kenneth Makdo naka party Voice of the People Party Nriu Hajar Laispa arpu ar vote uba Lawrence Nongrum naka party Indian National Congress ar Hajar Khandai Funyo vote uba Manin Raja naga party Bharatiya Janata Party Praspa Laipu ar vote nota Southpa Nriu Funyo vote.
The second district council constituency is Nongjop. I, returning officer for Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency of Nongjop in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on 24th day of February 2025, declares Srimati Rona Khandai of Nongjop District Council constituency who have been duly elected to the said constituency to be a member of the KHADC, and that in token thereof I have granted to her the certificate of election.
Naka Laima Hati constituency uba kanjo lang rentong naka party Voice of the People Party ulayo Khatwe Hajar Sanspa Khandai po ar vote uba Joblinston naka party National People Party ulayo Shipho Hajar Sanspa Life Khandai vote uba James Liang naka party United Democratic Party ulayo Nriu Hajar Shispa Khandai po pra vote uba Dominic Mensong naka Indian National Congress Party ulayo Khalai Spa Sap Khandai vote uba Hoppingstone Masharing naga Bharatiya Janata Party ulayo Laispa Laipo vote uba Ivan Langnong Street naga party Khna mulayo Aspa Laipo vote nota Aspa Khatwe vote.
I, returning officer and assistant returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency number 3 Mawati in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, declared Shri Jingioh of Khat Village to have duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election.
Naka Sau Umsning constituency uba Banrikus Nong Steng naka party Voice of the People Party ulayo Shipho Hajar Sanspa Laipo vote kakong Magdalene S. Maulong naka Party National People Party kalayok nai spa nai po vote uba Rocky Agustin Marwin naka Indian National Congress Party ulayo Andrew Hajar Arpuay vote uba Eddie Kharbani naka United Democratic Party ulayo Ar Hajar Andrew spa sa puay vote nota Aspa lai puay vote uba Rodney Sikli naga Bharatiya Janata Party shispa sa punyo vote.
I, returning officer for Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, election constituency number 4 listing in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certified that on the 24th of February 2025, declare Sri Valmikos Nongjop of Kyrtong Singh elected from the state constituency to be the member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in the token of, therefore I granted him this certificate of election.
Naga San Umroy constituency uba isnehing naga Party Voice of the People Party ulayo khandai hajar khandai spa lai punyo vote uba Rangkansai Kharbuki naga National People Party ulayo nyaw hajar khandai spa arf khandai vote uba George Bilengdo u independent candidate ulayo san hajar kharway vote uba Mickey Douglas M naga Indian National Congress Party ulayo saw hajar lai khandai vote kakong Napi Shisha Marwin naga United Democratic Party kalayo khandai spa lai punya vote but nota aspa khat lai vote.
Returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency number 5 Illinois in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the proposed day of February 2005, declared Sri Isanay Hing of 5 Illinois for the member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and I in token thereof I granted to him this certificate of election.